At a scrap collection station in Yimiampo. It's a genuine Ducati. The front shocks are gold, but the muffler isn't on the bike. And the brakes are a brand name Brembo. I brought it back and this pile is all that's left. It still weighs 107.5 kilograms, 215 gin. I wonder if the rider's fate was tough enough to survive this. The wiring harness is a mess. I don't even know what this plug connects to. The engine is an L-twin. Comparing it with my fist, it really is huge. Looking at the rear brake lever, it feels like it was stomped off. There's oil dripping from below. The tire is torn open, but these are just superficial wounds. I think with this bike, this is its fuel tank. Taking it off leaves just the frame. The designers really pushed lightweighting to the limit. But this one has an old school ignition coil. Looks like I'll have to use my tricks. Removing the air filter. Look a lot like the one that guy was riding. The power must be fierce. And sell it to your classmate. Look, these two front forks are done for. With the simple frame removed, it's just the engine left. This bike's power must be intense. It's a single-sided swing arm. The frame is quite simple, but the engine is very complex. And it's belt-driven. The cylinder head underneath is huge, but this oil sight glass is smashed. The oil leaked out from here. I'm hooking up power directly to the starter motor. I'll take that as a win. Then I pulled out the spark plugs. This cylinder has 8 bars of pressure, plenty enough, which had been knotted for years. Now I want to use the lowest cost possible. I've connected all the necessary wires for starting. However, I have my tricks. And bridge that relay down there. You have to keep this a secret. Doesn't bring us too much trouble? I'm going to attempt to start it. Holy sh asterisk T. I probably connected the wires wrong just now. I'm stripping all these wires open. Donkey head, the engine turned over just now. Have them come see the bike later. I need to measure these wires. Yeah, that's the one. Look what I prepared. How about it? This gift box is gold, even prettier than before. You used it all up, right? Your complexion isn't great. For you. You can use them together, and your skin will get smoother. There's body lotion and lipstick inside too. You really know how to pick gifts, of course. Let's go get a nice meal. After seeing off the girl who helped, making sure it's okay this time. Wow, we have power here. Having confirmed the wiring is good, to check the internal condition. Like I thought, wouldn't just feed it junk oil. So this engine is most likely in great shape. It's just this glass that's broken. And you can't even imagine. So we need to figure out a low-cost repair. This is the closest sized sight glass. But it's still smaller than the original. However, I have a way to fix it. It's welding time. Put on your sunglasses. I welded a ring around this engine cover opening, then re-drilled it according to my actual size. Now I can install this glass. This replacement sight glass. Of course, it saved several hundred RMB. So I'm pretty clever on this one. I filled it with engine oil, connected the wiring. Now it meets. I'm going to attempt to start this engine. Wish us luck! I went through this wiring from beginning to end. Normally, it shouldn't act up again, but it just threw a tantrum on us. I think this bike needs a bit of discipline. Maybe the original owner's fate wasn't tough enough. The bike owner still has his own ideas, but we know a thing or two. I reorganized all these wires again and rewrapped them, and I'm absolutely certain I didn't connect them wrong just now. Now that the engine is confirmed good, we can go clean up its exterior. It sells for 6 RMB a kilo here. Remove the aged grease from the engine and edges. And all that grime. This is the main frame. But this limited screw stopper tab was hit hard. So I sent it to the paint shop. Did some sandblasting. The materials and welding quality are excellent. I re-welded the steering stop limiter piece back on. Then sprayed the red color matching the original factory code. This is the frame's red. The rear shock's yellow is also absolutely authentic yellow. I found all the parts for this bike in this Stone Town parts market. We can start assembling the bike. If you offer 8.5 RMB per kilo now, I won't sell it to you because it has a nickname, Super Saiyan. And now it starts up perfectly. This bike sounds amazing. Let's go take it for a test ride.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning.
And with that, the 107.5 kilograms Ducati is restored.
You think I'm someone to
It's super agile. You still need legs of steel to handle it. Thanks for your help.